ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। The first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Arjuna Vishada Yoga, that is, the yoga of dejection of Arjuna. Now, the first shloka is said by Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was asked by sage Vedavyasa if he wanted to see the battle with his own eyes. But Dhritarashtra replied that I have no desire to see with my own eyes the slaughter of my family, but I would like to hear all the details of the battle. So, the great sage Vedavyasa conferred the gift of divine vision on Sanjaya, who was Dhritarashtra's trusty counselor. And he said to Dhritarashtra that Sanjaya will describe to you all the incidents of the war. Now Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, gathered on the holy land of Kurukshetra, eager to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? Dharmakshetre, here dha is Mahaprana and it is ksha. Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, Yuyutsavaha, Mamakaha. It's actually Mamakaha, but it becomes fa because Pandava is behind it, pa is behind, so the Visargam becomes fa. So, Mamakav Pandavaschaiva. This is Pandavaha cha eva. And due to joining of words, Sandhi, it becomes Pandavaschaiva. Kim akurvata becomes Kimakurvata Sanjaya.